Hey guys, it's Jules here. I'm here with my brother Alex. We're going to do his makeup before a Halloween party, and he's going to be Jigsaw. So let's get started. The reason his hair looks like this, he wanted me to tell you, is because I have to put this stuff on his face. Yeah, so we're going to start off with some white cream makeup. Alex is going to feel so nasty. You just need to stay with me, girl. Lean back. Ugh. Doesn't that feel so gross?
Don't get it in my eyes.
Just don't talk, and I won't have to get it in your eyes. Do you want to look like Jigsaw, or do you want to look like Jigsaw? Exactly.
They don't sound like
Shut up. Don't talk. That's cute. Okay, so just to get an even white coverage, we're gonna go like this.
Do I look like a clown?
It's not very thick white, but I think that you'll appreciate that. So you don't get all sweaty and start looking like a clown up in here. Okay, stop. Stop looking. Look at me. You know you want to look at me. Okay, stop. Don't touch it.
I wasn't touching it.
I need some powder. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Stop making faces. Shit. What? What? Oh, I know it's not even. What are you looking at?
Should I stop it?
No, don't stop it. I'm still going.
Hello.
I'm pretty sure that this is going to turn out like a different color. Just going to try to set this. With just some loose powder. Now let's get started with the fun part. We're going to take some black eyeshadow, high intensity pigments. You know how I roll. Okay. I'm going to need you to look at the ceiling with your eyes closed. You're going to look like a pretty, pretty princess. And just go all over the eyelid. I know you can't really see this, you guys, but use your imagination. Okay, look up. Look up with your eyes open. I'm not going to get it in your eyes. You can keep your eyes closed. I'll choose to do that. Congratulations.
Oh my god!
Look at me. You sounded like such a chick. Oh my god! Like what a pussy yells at. Look up, look up. Look up with your eyes open!
Oh, hold on. I want you to get in my eyes.
I'm not gonna get in your eye, just trust me. Trust me. I'm not even gonna go close to your eye.
That was in my eye.
No, it's not. Okay, look, Alex, look at me. Look at me. Look at me! You dumb mofo. We only have like a few minutes to finish this.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, look at me. Looking good. Looking good. Are you ready for this? Stop. Just don't touch it. You'll be fine. Now, we're going to just take some red. Make him draw the swirl. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, this is like pink.
Oh,
good
good
enough,
job.
good enough. Shut up! Puff out your cheeks again. It's like pink. Okay. So, since it's pink, we're going to go over with some red. This stuff.
Now I'm gonna really think I don't want
Don't talk. Don't speak. I know just what you're thinking. Now I can't stop my... Much better. Oh shit, that didn't connect. Same thing. This won't attract the hot ladies. I don't know what will. Oh damn. Oh, show it a second. Okay. So,
That's Henry Fireworks.
this is our finished look. Look at the camera. There's Jigsaw for you. Looking scary.
Ow.
Sorry. Mess up that hair. He will kill you. Thanks for watching, guys. Halloween's tomorrow. Keep watching. This is my bro. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Love you. Thanks for watching.